In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail ID or Google account name in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if your name has changed, you made a typo when you created the account, or you just want your Google profile name to look more professional. Before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's go step by step. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com/personal-info. This takes you directly to your Google account personal information page, where you can manage details like your name, birthday, and contact information. If you're not already signed in, Google will ask you to sign in to the Gmail or Google account you want to update. Go ahead and enter your login details so you can access the account settings. Once you're on the personal info page, look for the section labeled Name. This is where Google stores the display name that appears across your account, including things like emails, shared documents, and other Google services. Click on the name to open the editing screen. Now, click the name again to start editing it. You should see fields for your first name and surname. Delete the old name if needed, then type in your new first name and, if you want, your new last name. Make sure everything is spelled correctly before you continue, because this is the name that may show up when you send emails or use Google services. After entering your updated name, click Save. Google will now update your account name. In some cases, it may take a short moment for the change to appear everywhere, so don't worry if you don't see it update instantly in every app or browser tab. And that's it. Your Gmail or Google account name has now been changed successfully. Just remember, this changes your Google display name, not your actual Gmail address. If you want, you can now go back and double check your account profile to make sure the new name is showing correctly. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.